We just ordered some breakfast and we're going to plan our day, see if we're going to hang around here in Ayutthaya or maybe move on to another place. It is a road trip after all. I can't believe that we slept here tonight. Now we're having coffee and we're looking out onto the ruins, the very thing which we came to see here in Ayutthaya. It's amazing that it's right here. I would expect to pay so much more for accommodation right here by the ruins. It's so magical sitting here and watching this. I can't get over it.
Side sauce you need, right? Oh, okay.
My husband was asking for instructions on how to drink his coffee because it's a little bit complicated. It's coffee with egg, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like an egg coffee. Egg. This place is really cool. There's so much to see around here. They even have this little fake shop, like an old-time shop, like stuff you know from your childhood, except everything of course is in Thai. They even have an abacus. And so we say goodbye to Ayutthaya and we have finally decided where we're going to go. We're going to go to Kanchanaburi, which is about a 2-hour drive from here, and sleep there for one night. And after that we plan to go to Ratchaburi and sleep there for one night and then go back to Bangkok. There are many rice fields around here on our route to Kanchanaburi. I found this temple which overlooks a rice field, so I'm going to send a drone up and show you this area. There are a lot of temples in Thailand, but they very often have something unique to show. For instance, this big gong. We are about 2/3 of the way. We just stopped to get some gas and maybe have a cup of coffee here. We are done with this place, really done. There are so many freaking flies here. Right, so we got to our hotel. We are sleeping on a river raft and it's quite a fast flowing river, so no chance of mosquitoes, which is great. This over here is the room. Yeah, it looks clean. There's even a wardrobe, bar, fridge, a bigger TV than last night. Air conditioning works, and this is the view, and we have a balcony. Toilet way over there, shower over here. This is what it looks like right next to the hotel. For this price we are paying, you can't have it all. The other hotel last night in Ayutthaya was a lot more beautiful around the area, but this one, the room is better. This hotel, by the way, is called Tara Raft. Let me show you some drone shots so you can see what this hotel looks like. One of the main reasons why people come here to Kanchanaburi is for the bridge over the River Kwai, which was built during World War II. Very famous historical site. There's also a World War II cemetery, very beautiful. This is the entrance to one of the river banks where the bridge is. It's quite busy here. We were here about 2 years ago. That was during COVID time. It was dead quiet. It certainly did not look like this. And this is why everybody comes here. The bridge over the River Kwai. All I remember really is that this middle portion of the bridge was destroyed by aerial artillery and it was then rebuilt again. That's why the middle part looks different. And of course you can walk over the bridge. There are little platforms on either side of the bridge, so when the train does pass then you just stand on the platforms. It's a very popular place for photographs, as you can see. That was now a really special experience. Wow, so cool. 20 baht. This ice cream is half of this. It's only 10 baht for this ice cream. Two scoops of ice cream, nuts on bread, and it's only 10 baht. That's so cheap. Coconut. One of my favorite things to do in Thailand, ice cream on bread. Now that's what I call a sandwich. We're stopping at this restaurant, Riverside, just to have a quick beer before we go back to our car and go back to our hotel.
Our cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that you'll be able to win this one.
And the moment we have been waiting for, relaxing on our balcony over the river, having a drink and watching the sunset. It is absolutely magical sitting here and watching the sunset from our hotel room.
Wondering if it's gonna finish this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if make her feel better, and that's where she'll go. Cause that is all you got in the end. You got in the end. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like she's whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever or is
I have it on good authority that this is JJ Night Market. So after enjoying the beautiful sunset there from our hotel room, we are now at the night market in search of some food. Or maybe just some snacks. We might still go for dinner afterwards, but ooh, a lot of stuff. Oh, squid! I love duck, and thankfully duck is not expensive here in Thailand. Here's a definite favorite. This over here is masaman, and it's a very, very yummy meal. This is a scarecrow for flies. Yeah, got some food. Got some grilled chicken, or maybe smoked chicken, I'm not sure.
feel better, make her feel better, and that's where she'll go.
This night market is also easy to find because it is right across from the Kanchanaburi train station.
Where she'll go.